Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying critical elements so the promotion converts. Make sure thumbnail, title, and description match your intended audience. Once done, enable end screens and cards to keep viewers watching, and add the video to a relevant playlist. Next, in YouTube Studio, go to Content, select the video, and click Promote or the Monetization/Ads tab. This begins the promotion workflow and ensures the system has necessary assets to optimize placements for clicks and watch time. Now configure the campaign specifics so YouTube targets the right viewers. First, pick an objective: views for exposure, reach for impressions, or website traffic to drive clicks. Then set a realistic daily budget and duration. Next, define audience parameters by age, gender, locations, and interest or custom intent keywords. After that, select ad formats and placements: skippable in stream for longer messages, bumper for short hooks. Set your bids and schedule so your ads run during peak viewer windows. You launch the campaign and then actively monitor performance metrics like CPM, CTR, view rate, average view duration, and conversions so you can iterate. Make sure to check the first 48-72 hours for early signals. If CTR or view rate is low, swap in a new thumbnail or creative, refine audience targeting, or adjust bids. If ads underperform, pause them and reallocate budget to top performers. Troubleshooting tip: if impressions are 0, confirm billing, campaign status, and bid floor to restore delivery quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.